Hello and welcome. My name is Asil Çetin. In this video, I will showcase you the work that I did with my colleagues, Torsney-Weir and Torsten Moeller, as a paper presentation for CHI 2021 conference. The main contribution of our research project is a visual data analysis tool called CorpSum, which enables the corpus researchers to conduct their work easier and faster. The web-based tool offers a faceted analytical display with a multi-query search area, multiple interactive visualization components, and a dynamic keyword in context view. Language students and researchers use annotated linguistic corpora, which are large document collections tagged with linguistic labels on word, sentence, and document levels. Working with such corpora is a complicated task, which requires an iterative workflow with executing multiple queries and gradually filtering the results. Our main motivation in this project was to increase the efficiency of the corpus linguistic research work and offer a design which removes the dependency on multiple complex and manual steps from the researcher's workflow as reported by the domain users. Based on this motivation, we conducted a design study, working intensively over 1.5 years in close collaboration with the domain users. Our target users were linguistics and humanities researchers and students with low technical expertise who work with annotated linguistic corpora. These users often had metadata-based comparative research questions, such as comparing the temporal trends between the usage of the words virus and vaccine in a contemporary media corpus, or, given a set of gender-related terms, investigating which newspapers adopt the language towards gender equality. Based on these key facts, let's have a look at the application. The first area to demonstrate is the query basics. The tool offers a large query area on top, where the user can select from predefined common search types and execute multiple queries. In this example, the same verb in German is queried as a word form, as lemma, and as in combination with other strings. Using the interactive dashboard, the user can drill down and filter the results further for explorative analysis. Another important area is the metadata-based comparisons and subcorpus creation. Querying large annotated corpora often has the goal of inspecting metadata distributions, such as temporal or regional frequencies. We have implemented various tooltips and helper elements to make it easier for researchers to investigate the reasons behind these distributions. In this example, you see the user making two separate queries, one for the lemma virus and the other one for the lemma crisis. For the comparative analysis tasks, it's useful that we combine the data series of both queries on the same dashboard so that the user can analyze possible correlations. For the close reading tasks, the user can use the keyword in context component to filter the results further with keywords or regular expressions and view the documents for inspection. Finally, a subcorpus can be created using the active selection for further analysis. Exporting data and visualizations of the executed queries is an important requirement of the domain users. Each component has a data table behind, which can be seen and exported as CSV. Moreover, the visualizations can be exported as image for presentation and publication purposes. We evaluated our work qualitatively with multiple user interviews and case studies, as well as quantitatively with a usability study. Real-world users stated that our tool would make their research work much faster, easier, and visually more informative, and also would help a large base of students and researchers in this domain. In a randomized written subjects usability study, our tool showed a 43-point increase in the mean SUS score and an improvement of 3.18 times in mean task completion duration compared to a conventional solution. Another contribution of our research project is an analysis of the design trade-offs with a guideline containing 10 pragmatic design recommendations. One of these design guidelines is to give hints on outliers. We observed that the users are often interested in trends and outliers while conducting research. Thus, we implemented elements on data points to offer possible explanations. Another design recommendation is to utilize interactions for filtering. We observed that in many existing tools, the user is forced to go back to the search area and amend the query for the desired filters, which breaks the mental loop of analysis. For more design guidelines and detailed descriptions, you can refer to our paper. Thank you very much for listening. Many other important sections, such as the related work and methodology, can be found in the paper. We are looking forward to your questions and feedback.